In this guide, we're gonna go over on how you can play Rocket League split screen on PS4, PS5, Xbox, Xbox Series XS, PC, whatever the platform you might be on. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. And if any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them in the comment section below. Now, in order to do split screen here in Rocket League, you're gonna go need at least two input devices. So essentially two controllers, and both controllers are going to be needed to be connected to the system, and that's literally it. Essentially, just plug it in like an Xbox controller, right? Then plug in something like a PlayStation controller, and you can connect them with USB or Bluetooth or whatever it might be. As soon as both are technically connected, you can launch Rocket League and then just press on option button to join, and you're gonna go see like a button down in the very bottom that says press options to join. Select that, and the second pair is now gonna show up in your game. On console, it's pretty much the exact same thing. That was the PC guide, but essentially sign in to the one account, launch Rocket League, and then go ahead and connect the secondary controller anyway, whether it's through USB-C or through Bluetooth. Once you do that, it's going to prompt you to sign into another account, sign into that account, and then you'll see a button down there over saying press option to join. And you'll be good to go. It really is that simple, guys. You can actually play online split screen. You can just go ahead and play up at the very top and then go into casual or competitive. It really is as simple as that. I do want to say real quick, you can change the settings for split screen as well. You can go to settings and just like in the gameplay tab, and this is going to be split screen layout, right? So change this from vertical to horizontal depending on whatever works for you the best. If you guys do have any questions, and if you do guys find this video helpful, again, please do leave a like on this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.